If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need fat quarter pack, scissors, pins, ruler, knot cord, buttons, interfacing, fabric pen, and you'll also need a sewing machine and thread and an iron. Cut 2 rectangles out of your chosen fabric that measure 45 by 20 centimeters. For a smaller size bag, cut 36 by 15 centimeters. Iron interfacing onto your rectangles. Your interface rectangle will become your outer. Top tip, when ironing, press the iron, don't drag it across the interfacing. Cut a piece of knot cord 10 centimeters long. Lay the outer rectangle and the lining rectangle right sides together. Mark halfway and sew the knot cord down with the loop facing the bottom seam. Pin the top short edge. Sew and press the seams open. Repeat on the other end. You will now have both fabric pieces joined in a loop. Next, keeping your pieces right sized together, the outer fabric should be touching the outer fabric and the lining fabric should be touching the lining fabric with the seam in the middle, pinned together. Mark a 10 centimeter gap in the long side of the lining fabric. Sew down the 2 centimeter long open edges, leaving your marked gap. With your bag still inside out, fold all 4 corners onto themselves to make a triangle with the seam running down the center. Find a 4 centimeter to 6 centimeter length across. You decide how deep you want your bag, keeping it square. Mark with a pen or another pin. Top tip, you can make a template with a 4 centimeter square folded in half and sewn down. Sew across the line, then repeat on the other 3 corners. Trim off the excess on each corner. Turn the whole bag the right way around through the gap in the lining seam. Press and pin the gap shut. Sew the gap close to the edge. Pop the lining side inside the outer bag. Fold down the top and mark where you want the button to be. Sew on your button or use a needle and thread. Your fabric bag is now complete.